Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to review the Hoteel 12x20 Hardtop Gazebo, a sturdy and stylish addition to any outdoor space. Whether you're looking to cover a hot tub, create a shaded area for your patio, or add a luxurious touch to your garden, this gazebo has you covered. Let's take a closer look at its features, assembly process, and overall performance. Brand: Hoteel. Material: reinforced aluminum. Color: brown, perfect for hot tub, deck, patio. Item weight: 483.91 pounds. Recommended uses: hot tub cover, sunshine shelter, garden addition. The Hoteel Gazebo comes with a galvanized steel double roof, offering excellent protection against rust, corrosion, and UV rays. This ensures that your gazebo remains durable and stylish through all seasons. The double roof design also promotes ventilation, keeping the space beneath cool and comfortable. Built with a reinforced aluminum frame, this gazebo is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. The rust-proof frame is powder-coated for added durability, and the sturdy 4.73-foot x 4.73 post can handle winds of 47 to 54 miles per hour and support heavy snow loads. For added privacy and comfort, the gazebo comes with 160G/M superscript 2 polyester curtains and 35G/M superscript 2 netting. These provide protection from UV rays, dust, and pesky insects, allowing you to enjoy a peaceful outdoor experience. Covering a generous 240 square feet, this gazebo is perfect for a variety of outdoor activities. Whether hosting a gathering, setting up a dining area, or creating a relaxing space for a hot tub, this gazebo can comfortably accommodate 16 to 20 people. The gazebo comes in 7 boxes and includes all necessary parts for assembly. While the process can take 6 to 8 hours, it's best tackled with 4 to 6 people. The assembly is straightforward with detailed instructions and tutorial videos provided. Plus, Hoteel offers excellent after-sales service, including a 5-year warranty on the roof, 1 year on the frame, and 2 years on the curtains and netting. User reviews. Hats off to the engineering of this product. The assembly went together very precisely. We did encounter a few minor issues, had to drill 6 holes that weren't there, and noticed a few dings in the upright post from shipping. But overall, we're really enjoying mosquito-free evenings outdoors. It's a fantastic addition to our space. The parts are heavy and fit together nicely. All pieces were included, and the directions were easy to follow. While the instructions recommend 3 or more people, we managed to complete the assembly with just 2. The gazebo looks great and feels sturdy. We're very satisfied. The Hoteel 12x20 Hardtop Gazebo is a solid investment for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor living space. Its durable construction, stylish design, and spacious interior make it ideal for a variety of uses, from sheltering a hot tub to hosting gatherings. Assembly may take some time, but the end result is well worth the effort. If you're in the market for a high-quality gazebo that can withstand the elements, the Hoteel 12x20 is a top contender. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home improvement and outdoor living reviews. Thanks for watching.